Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you clean up your C drive. So here you can see my C drive storage is only available 21.1 GB out of 237 GB. So let's clean it. So for cleaning this, press on Window key and then so open Google Chrome. And after opening it, search here WinDIR. Then go to this link, downloads, and according to your desktop version, download this software on your computer. So after downloading and installing this, here you can see the WinDIR stat is showing. Open this software on your computer. So here you can see you have to select your drive. So my computer has 4 drives. So I am choosing C drive to analyze. So here you can see it is analyzing the C drive. So this will take a few seconds to minutes to analyze full C drive. So just wait. So here you can see it has completed the analyzing of C drive and showing a heat map here. So here you can see the which folders has the most files, or can say taking the most storage. And here you can see the users folder has the most storage taking files. So by getting into it, you can uninstall. So here you can see some web series and some softwares are taking too much storage in my computer. So this is how you can analyze your C drive and can clean it. So let me clean some storage for showing. So let's clean this. So now click on delete permanently. Now clean this too. So here you can see I have cleaned some folders. So let's check back our storage is cleaned or not. So here you can see now 35 GB of storage is available on my computer. So this is how you can clean up your computer. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.